Hi, Children's Lit. I hope you're doing well this week. I am here to talk a little bit about each of the books that you're going to read this week online. So the first section of books are called informational books. So I wanted to show you a couple that I had here. So an informational text, as you will see in the PowerPoint, really focuses on factual information, right? So it is a style of nonfiction book. There are no characters. It is very straightforward. So, for example, here's a monarch's butterfly's life. It gives very straightforward information in a very simple language. Here's two, Titanic and firefighters. Some things you might notice in the books are a table of contents, right? Pointing out specific language might be highlighted, right? So here's one on coding, children's book for coding. So, for example, in this one, very informative. In the back, you might notice that there is a glossary, right? So, in an index. So very specific things. These eyewitness books I know were really popular when I was teaching, and so not too long ago. So again, it's about learning information. So basically what it says. All right. So head on down the PowerPoint and keep learning.